You know, got another Copy Kicks pickup. I'm about to try to make this fast as hell because I got a lot of fucking belts. But yeah, I'm about to try to do this fast, so. Alright, let's unbox these. First Farragomma belt. Shit should be pimp as hell. It's gonna be hard to do this video. All this rapping and shit. Damn. That's sick though, right? I'm not gonna unwrap them for this video. It's gonna be too hard, but this is like brown with all the horseshoe all over the whole belt. Look at that buckle, man. That buckle is so bling. Damn. Alright. Anyway, man, that was sick. Damn, dude. Alright. It's gonna take a while. Alright, let's do this one quick. I got a Gucci iPhone 5 case. I'm about to put this shit on my phone. Shit looks pretty sick. Comes with this little pouch. And then comes with like this little card. And there's the case. Fucking blinging, right? That shit is so sick. Hopefully it fits good. It's probably not gonna protect my phone for shit, but it's pimp. Yeah, it's tight. Alright, I'm not gonna show the Louis ones because I showed these in other videos. I just got more of them because people buy them, but that's the initial one. This one is... Oh, this is the SZ Air, whatever the fuck it is. The white one. It's fucking sick. Sorry, man. Fucking... It's like 1 in the morning right now. I'm fucking just got home from work. Alright, this is... the black one again with the gold buckle. Sorry, dude, my camera's like all over the fucking place. Alright, I'm not taking all these out of the box because it's gonna take way too long. Yeah, this one is... Damn, this shit is bling. Look at that. All brown belt with the fucking white and gold buckle. God damn. Hit me up if you want to buy it too, man. My Instagram, man. Just hit me up, ask me what's up. Alright, this is... Look at that gold buckle. Look at that bling. Man, Farragomma. Brown belt. Shit is too sick, man. Seriously, what the fuck is this? What? Alright. Let's get this one. I already opened these ones, right? Alright, what do we got here? All black Farragomma. Fucking brown. It looks like. That's weird. It's brown and gold. It's still dope. Farragomma. Yeah, I'm getting like lots of Farragomma. Oh my god. Wait, I don't even think I ordered this one. I don't know. I don't remember ordering this one, honestly. But it's pimp. Just plain brown, dude. I didn't order this. Whatever though. Sick. I'll have to look at my order. This one, all black with the silver and black. Ooh. You bitches. Alright, last Farragomma belt. Sorry, I was gonna make this quick. The red one. Sweet. But yeah, man, you guys hit me up if you guys want to buy a belt, man. Look at all these things. I got plenty. So, oh yeah, last one. This is just the brown LV checkered one. You know, nothing too special. But yeah, hit me up, people. Alright, peace.